Welcome to Fluent Phonics. Today, we will focus on mastering the pronunciation of the word boulder. 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 Here's an example of how one might use it in a sentence. The hikers were amazed by the massive boulder blocking the path on their way up the mountain. A boulder is a large rock that is typically rounded or irregular in shape and can be found in natural landscapes, such as mountains or rivers. Thank you for your time. If you enjoyed this, please like and subscribe for further content.